It seems long in the beginning, but you turn around and it's already over. My name's Mariel and I work with Tech Synapse as a desktop support representative. Before I joined CyberWarrior Academy, I had recently transitioned from 10 years of active duty military, and I was ready for a change in my career. I wanted a career that gave me more flexibility to either work from home or work in an office or a combination, instead of having to be away from family for months, even years, occasionally at a time. CyberWarrior Academy appealed to me because it was a 6-month boot camp, so it got into a lot more depth than a lot of the other programs that are available. I go through all of the preparation material, multiple certs, in addition to supplemental classwork and studies, which were immediately applicable. The support that we got from CyberWarrior Academy from the teachers and other staff members was amazing. I believe I'm prepared to take the next steps in a cybersecurity career.